WaterWare is a cover for the SAMBA2 audio processor that provides complete water protection for activities such as swimming. It consists of a skin and an adhesive seal tape. You can use each skin up to 3 times, but the adhesive seal tape needs to be replaced after each use. Only use alkaline or silver oxide batteries with WaterWare. Make sure your hands are clean and dry before handling WaterWare. Check WaterWare for damage and make sure the inside is clean and dry. Discard WaterWare if it has any damage. Remove any attachment clips from your audio processor. Hold SAMBA2 with the flat side facing upwards so that you can see the MED-EL logo. Insert SAMBA2 into the skin by placing the end without the battery compartment into the side with a circular flap. Hold SAMBA2 and grab the rectangular-shaped flap with your other hand. Pull WaterWare over the entire processor. It will form a tight fit, so you may experience some tension while pulling WaterWare around the audio processor. The overlap should be evenly distributed around the edge. For a watertight closure, it is essential that no wrinkles form on the flaps or edges of WaterWare. Avoid pulling on the additional fixation tab. The adhesive seal tape is used to cover the opening of the skin. Make sure that all components are clean and dry before you attach the adhesive seal tape. Remove the adhesive seal tape from the protective cardboard. Start applying the tape on the side where the battery compartment is. Make sure that both flaps of WaterWare remain flat on the surface of SAMBA2 and that no wrinkles form during the application of the adhesive seal tape. Also ensure that the tape fully seals the WaterWare skin and is not offset or misaligned. Firmly press down along the adhesive section to make sure that WaterWare is completely sealed. Make sure that WaterWare was not damaged during the application. To avoid losing the processor during activities, you should use additional fixation accessories such as the MED-EL sports headband or a swimming cap. To tie an attachment clip to WaterWare, use the semicircular flap at the top. Pull the loop of the string through the hole of the semicircular flap and pull the end with the attachment clip through the loop. Your SAMBA2 with WaterWare is now ready to use. To remove WaterWare from SAMBA2, carefully remove and discard the adhesive seal tape from WaterWare. The skin of WaterWare can be used up to 3 times, but the adhesive seal tape needs to be replaced every time. Use the rectangular flap of the skin to gently pull WaterWare off SAMBA2. Make sure that you do not damage WaterWare. Follow the previous instructions and ensure that the adhesive seal tape is correctly applied and that the WaterWare skin is not damaged before reusing it.